one of the market's largest stocks has just created a significant trend potential reversal in these markets. And I want to share with you what that is. Let's get straight into it. Guys, do not place a trade based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets. So be smart about the way that you are investing in the markets, okay? So just be smart about the way that you're doing things here. Now, guys, what I'm talking about here is Apple, right? Apple, or I think Apple's the Apple is the most successful company anyway when it comes to cash. But Apple, one of the largest stock market stocks, could actually also be bringing this whole thing down. And what am I talking about here? Look at this here, guys. Let's actually bring this weekly chart up here, and I want to squeeze this weekly chart up here for a minute. Actually, you know what? Let me just bring this weekly chart over here, and then I'm going to do this. Let me bring this up through here for a little bit. Come on, software. You know you can do it. All right. I'm so excited, guys. I tell you what. The reason why I'm excited, guys, because if you haven't watched my video that I've loaded up with this video, I think I titled like, yes, the top is in. Yes, we're going to see a crash. Or something like that. Come on, software. There we go. So what are we seeing here right now in this markets? On this Apple chart, right? Actually, no. Yeah, let me just blow this up right now through here. So what are we seeing right now on this Apple chart? We can see, can't we, that look what's happened right now. We've been completely, now what have we done? We've completely started to break below this significant trend line that was going to the upside. And as you can see on my daily chart, when I blow that up, you can see where we are right now, right? We've broken below through here. But not only have we broken below through there, but look what's happened through here as well too. Look how strong this move is down. And look where this significant low part is. So if I look at this part through here, right, you have this, if you look at this bit through here, if we have this sort of section through here, and then we have this section through here, what could be forming right now? Now remember, we also had this section through here. This was the last little higher low through here, wasn't it? Last little higher low. Then the markets actually had basically, so the market a little higher low through there. But if you look at this here as a whole, let's do this here once again. What's Apple really forming? Let's do this here. Let's do a wave up, and then we have a wave down, a wave up, and then a wave down. What could be forming through here? This could be some sort of shoulder, big head. If we get a little bit of a rally through here and it fails and then we break down, look what could be forming through here. This actually could be some sort of big, massive head and shoulder formation forming on the weekly chart, right? Especially if you have a look at this here, especially what's the most important thing in an upward trend? A higher low, right? So, or if you didn't know, that's what's the most important part. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, equal low, higher low, higher low. So as you can see, right, the buyers were raising their prices. What is this? A lower high. What does that mean? It means a potential change in trend. If we get a lot of rally up and then a rally down, breaking below previous lows, and now we get a lower high, this could be some sort of trend reversal. So they say, how goes Apple? How goes the stock market? Is Apple going to be one of those things that creates the big pullback we're likely to see in Nasdaq? What do you guys think? Before you go, make sure you grab the free Grab the Markets by the Balls training course. In this training course, you're going to learn the top 13 deadly mistakes, the success formula, charting boundaries, the PT method, the ultimate trading system, the blast off trading system, #1 in trading indicator, the $1 million trade and money management, how successful traders approach the market, and so much more. Get this training course for free right now. Click on the very first link in the description to get this whole complete trading course to give you the edge on your side of trading this market. Do that right now, and I'll see you on the other side.